Oh, look! We're in Hong Kong! What an amazing place! With beautiful buildings. There's so much to see here.
And there are so many interesting things you can buy in the markets and the shops.
Look! Lots and lots of colourful ribbon. This has just given me a great idea. Let's try something.
Try making your own fantastic ribbon art with sparkly glitter and lots of colourful ribbons.
Let's make it! Now, we're going to need a mini maker to help us. Let's see if there's one nearby. Hello, mini makers. Now, who's going to help me today?
Hi, Mr. Maker. I'm Yasmin.
Oh, hello, Yasmin.
I can help you.
Oh, that's good news. Everyone else, thank you very much. We'll see you soon. But Yasmin, let's get making. Oh, brilliant. Yasmin is on her way to help us make our picture. But first, we'll need somewhere to make it. Oh, brilliant! The marvellous maker case has become a marvellous making table. Now we just need some arty things to make our picture. We'll need some paper or card. Now we'll also need lots of lovely ribbons. Some glitter. A glue stick, some scissors. We'll also need, of course, an egg. An egg? We don't need an egg. Scraps, it's you. How did you get here? Oh, well, look, take this egg back, open up. But we do need some stars, please. Sparkly stars. See if you can find some. And be careful with that. Oh, egg. Oh, no. Oh, brilliant. Well done, Scraps. That's fantastic. Just what we need. Thank you. We've got some sparkly stars. Excellent. We've got everything we need. Although, it does feel like something's missing. Do you know what it is?
I'm here, Mr. Maker.
Of course, Yasmin! Oh, it's lovely to see you, my friend. Thank you for coming. You're just in time to help me make some ribbon art.
Like this lovely picture here. It's an explosion of colour.
Now, are you ready, Yasmin?
Yes.
Good. Are you ready? Fantastic! Let's get making. Now, Yasmin, the first thing we need is some thick paper or thin card.
This will be the background.
Now we need a glue stick. Thank you, Yasmin. Lovely. And we're going to make a very wiggly, sticky line. Put lots of glue on. And you can make this line as wiggly as you like. There we are. Lovely. Yasmin, can you find me some glitter, please? Oh, what colour's that?
Purple.
Purple, that's a great choice. Sprinkle your glitter all over the sticky line. Now, if we shake off the glitter, this happens. We've got a very wiggly, glittery line.
You can make as many gluey, glittery lines as you like.
Now it's time to find some ribbon. Yasmin, can you please choose a piece of ribbon? Oh, yes, that's a good choice. What colour's this?
Green.
Green, that's right. Now, why don't you grab the glue stick over there for me?
And put some dabs of glue on the back of the ribbon.
Well done. And now we can stick this ribbon anywhere we like. It looks really good if you twist the ribbon and make it cross through the glittery lines.
To make it look really special, use different coloured ribbons and stick them across each other like this. Stick down as many pieces of ribbon as you like and then carefully cut off the extra ribbon at the edges.
Now we need some sparkly stars. Oh yes, a nice red one. Now you can stick your stars wherever you like, but why not stick them in the middle of your picture so it looks like the stars are bursting out from all of the ribbons?
Stick down lots of stars and
We've finished, Jasmine. It's some beautiful ribbon art. And if you enjoyed that, why not try some other ideas too?
how about using spotty ribbons on a spotty, swirly pattern? Or you could even try using animal print ribbons with gold stars and glitter.
Why don't you try one of those pictures today? Thank you so much for helping me, Yasmin. We made it! High five! Great work, my friend.
Brilliant ribbon art. Well done, Yasmin.
Make it, Mr. Maker. Mr. Maker.